Friday, May 5th, and welcome to this week's version of the show report. We're going to be going over rent increases in the Greater Toronto area, some of the figures around that. We're also going to be going over our April 2023 Shoreview Powered by New Street market report that just got released. Some very interesting numbers around sales and average prices there. And then lastly, we're going to talk about some new CREA rules regarding coming soon and exclusive listings that may be updating in the near future. And lastly, we just want to announce and welcome two new team members to the Shoreview Real Estate Team, Sarah Snook and Ryan Cooper. Welcome. Looking forward to working with you. Let's go. Morning and welcome to the show report for Friday, May 5th. My name is Robert Jendrzejczak from the Shoreview Real Estate Team powered by New Street. And today I'm going to be going over some exciting news and updates in the last week, the last month in the Ontario real estate market. I want to start by talking about some of the changes in the rental market and the rental prices. In Q1 2023, we've seen the rental prices increase significantly. For one bedrooms, the average price right now is jumped over 15% to about $2,474 for a one bedroom in the GTA. The two bedroom apartments have increased 9.2% year over year to about $3,162. So really significant increases in rent that's having an impact on the housing market. The prices, obviously, with interest rates increased, landlords and owners have to increase the rents to pass on some of those costs. There's also been some significant changes in rules that might be changing within the Canadian Real Estate Association regarding coming soon and exclusive listings. They're proposing some changes to how exclusive and coming soon listings can be marketed by realtors, saying that those listings would have to be on MLS within 3 days of public marketing. This rule's causing some controversy in the industry. We believe that homeowners should have the ability and option to market and sell their homes however they see fit and not be required to always utilize the MLS and those regulations, especially if they're not ready to do so or for any privacy reasons. But the new legislation would imply that any marketing done of an exclusive home would need to be on MLS within 3 days of doing so. So some interesting proposed changes. And now the moment you've been waiting for, let's go over our April 2023 market update for last month. Some really interesting insights and trends in the GTA real estate market. Prices in the GTA are up 4% in the last month. Sales are up over 9% from the last month and rolling down about 5% from last year, which is a much smaller difference than we've seen in previous months as sales have been down about 20 or more percent. Even more exciting, prices in the GTA are down just over 7% from last year. So that decrease of 7% is much smaller than we've seen in previous months. And as we kind of get further in the year, and if these interest rates remain balanced, we're probably going to see that differential shrink. London, Ontario has seen a significant increase in prices from last month, 7%. If you're looking to invest in condo towns in Toronto West, towns and semis in Oakville, semis in Burlington, and condos in Oshawa, those product types and location combinations are have seen an increase in average prices from last year. The only location and combination of product types that actually seen an increase from last year, whereas everything is a little bit down. Detached homes in Toronto West, Quinte West, as well as semis in Whitby and Northumberland have seen the highest price decreases from last year. So those are saying about a 15% decrease from last year. So, location and product type and home type is definitely a big factor when looking at, the real estate market and seeing what prices are out there. Right now, we're seeing a 99% list to ask ratio to 100% in the majority of markets. So homes are getting the prices they're asking for. In Durham, it's a bit of an anomaly where they're actually seeing significantly more sale price to asking price from 107% to 109% in Ajax. So Ajax is actually seeing a 109% sale to list price. So a lot of offer dates and a lot of multiple bid situations in Durham. We're also seeing that across the board in different regions and different pockets, but on average, in different markets, we're averaging in around the 100% mark. So things are selling for what they're asking for. And if you look at we have a 12-month graph in our monthly report that shows the regions of Toronto, obviously, Hamilton, Durham, Niagara, as well as London on a single map, 12 months, and you could see those that visual graph. You can see that the trajectory for all those markets is going in the positive direction in the last month or two. So I think as long as these interest rates remain balanced, we should continue to see that trend sort of stay balanced and maybe increase if things change and interest rates get affected. And obviously there's some volatility in the market with the interest rates being a bit higher than they were last year, and some of these mortgages coming up for renewal, things like that could have an impact on the market as we head into 2023. But as of right now, if things do remain balanced and or if interest rates do decrease, which they've forecasted that they might later in the year, we might see a continued positive sentiment in the market as we move forward. Hope that this report was useful. Hope you got some good information. If you have any real estate related questions, feel free to reach out to any of the agents on the Shoreview Real Estate Team or myself. Take care. Enjoy the beautiful weather this May. All the best.